It's a new day here in Rishikesh, and we're gonna rent some mopeds and do some exploring here in the mountains. But first of all, we're gonna have a nice breakfast in my favorite place here in Rishikesh, and it's amazing, this place. The food is good, but the view and the music and the vibe of this place is just great. I'm gonna show you.
Well, the bus was like pretty new. Oh, it's not bus. Yeah. And we have the double bed, and I look like the same. You lost it. It was good, Jack. Nothing like spearing an Indian man. 10-hour bus. Is there any air conditioning on the bus? Yeah, well, that's good. That's good. Yeah. You're gonna wake up in a puddle of another man's. Yes, good, yeah. Morning.
Hello. How are you?
Yes, good. Yep.
Yes,
wow.
fine.
Yes, looks like a spot for breakfast, doesn't it?
We'll let the newbies get the
We've been riding our mopeds for about, I don't know, 2 hours back and forth here in the mountains. And the roads are really bad at some places. They are already, it's dirt roads, so you're bumping like blah, 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 blah. And you get dust in your eyes, so it's difficult but fun. You have to be focused all the time. So now we have a little rest and doing some filling up with petrol in the mopeds. This road is good, but we are riding on roads like this. Here are the vehicles, and here are the riders, and here are the king. Maybe is here is the king. We just stopped for some food, and I think we have a nice view. I was wrong. There's too many trees in the way. But we have some monkeys down here. There.
Proper charred.
No food, no food.
I'm on a diet.
Nice. Well, you can taste mine if you want. I'll just give you no picture, this is video. We gave them a ride from down the road, up the hill. And we live here, amazing village. Okay guys, bye bye. Bye bye.
Have a good day. Fucking funny, man.
Yeah.
Alright, to the top.
To the top, yeah. Let's go. We stopped here on the way up to the top, and we have an amazing view over the city. I think I don't know. I don't think this is Rishikesh. Maybe it's Rishikesh, but it's amazing. And here is good, there's no traffic, but down in the city, wow, you have to beep 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 and wiggle around you know, between cars, trucks, people, everything. We're done riding the mopeds and it was pretty hectic from time to time, but we reached the mountain and it was really nice because no traffic, no people, just small villages. Now we're back here in Rishikesh, and we just returned our bikes. I don't know, yeah, gonna take a shower I think, and later on we will grab some dinner with the nice view over the Ganga river, or Ganges. It's now 8 o'clock p.m. and we're gonna grab some food. This place is called what? Ganga View Restaurant? Yes, Ganga. We have to have a view of the Ganga while here. And we see a lot of lightning bolts today. Nice, nice.
Hello, Frank. Namaste. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Now, should we go down here for a big table?
How many? We are five.
Five.
Can we fit?
Yeah, I think. We don't want to be out in the open doing.
Ah, maybe not. Maybe we can take this
rain.
here.
Yeah, yeah, sure. As long as we can see the lightning. You want to see the lightning show? Oh yeah. Yeah.
What happened to the mats? Namaste ji.
Welcome, sir. I'll be your waiter today. My name is Juan.
Oh, okay. Dad.
He's got a doggy bag with this, man.
Yeah,
he's fucking huge. No, he wasn't even hungry.
It's meant for one person.
Whoa.
That's a small portion.
Sukalaminga. So how's Texas, my friend?
Well, I'm from Austin, Texas.
Yeah,
It's
Austin,
awesome.
Texas.
I also from
Dinner is over, and the food was great, and the company was great, and this day was great, and it's time to end this day.